Good morning, students. We will continue chapter 6, Introduction to PowerPoint 2016. So, how to create the presentation? We will know how to create the new presentation, so that we will see what are the steps. So, first of all, what we have to do? First off, we have to click on the File tab. Then after select the new option. Then we have to go to the Backstage view. Okay, so means we will see this all in the Backstage view. First we click on the File tab, new option, and we will get the Backstage view. So what is the Backstage view? So this is your Backstage view. You can see this type of view is called the Backstage view. In this Backstage view we have to get the lot of options we will get, but we have to select this one, blank presentation. We will select this one, blank presentation. Got it? So after selecting this blank presentation, so a new presentation with blank slides will open. So that will be open with the blank slides. The title slides layout of default slide that appears on the screen. It has two dotted boxes are known as placeholders. So there will be two dotted boxes will be there, like this type of boxes will be there, two dotted boxes, so which is called the placeholder. So there will be title like this. Earlier we have seen that in the last year. You can see here we have, when we have opened it, so there you can see here same type of things we will get. First of all, these are called the placeholders. When you will click it here, you will get this kind of options. So this is your placeholders. Okay, these two are the placeholder, and you will get this kind of, and there is a title will be there, and you can see there is written presentation 1. Okay, now next you can see, so after doing that one, so what you have to go do, then you have to now add new slides. Click on new slide. So this is the one of the icon you will see. So after pressing on here, you will get the new slide button present in the slides on the home tab. So this button where you will get in the home tab, you will get this button. So from that, by clicking here is that this button, you can see here is somewhere new slides is there. Okay, so from here you can get, this is the to answer the new slide. Okay, now you can change the layout of the active slides by clicking on layout button. By clicking on the layout button, you can change the layout, the slides group, and you can select the desired layout. So here is that option. In the layout you can get the lot of different kinds of layouts are there. Either you can choose this one, this one, lot of different kinds of layouts are there, so you can select anyone. Okay, now to resize a picture, click on corner sizing handles. While holding down the mouse button, drag the sizing handles as per your need and release the mouse button. So that's also. Now here is that, this is to the change the layouts of your slides. So you can enter the blank, they will get the some placeholders. You can answer the new slides, you can change its layout. Now first in the slides, first of all we have to enter the text. So where you will enter the text, first text in the placeholder. Okay, so what are the things we will do in the placeholder? So here is that, on default slides, click on add title. So we will add on the, click on title. So type my first presentation. Okay, there are two boxes are there. In the first you have to click to the add title. Then after type my first presentation. So it is written here. Then after click on add subtitle. There are two boxes, as I told that. Here you can see, as I show you, there are two small boxes. There is a bigger one and there is a small one. Two are there. This is the one, and this is the another one. Two, first and second. So that two we will use here. In the first box we will write the like my first presentation. In the second we have written Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so that one is called the add subtitle box. Okay, observe that you can see the text is added to the slide in the presented slide on thumbnail. Okay, so that will be here, that you can see it here. Okay, now next, saving a presentation. So after writing how to save the presentation, very simple method. Simple, click on the File tab and then select the save option, or this is the icon, there you can press, you can save, or by the help of keyboard shortcut key Ctrl plus S you can do, or you can use the save as drag, or then you will get the option that is, if already it is saved, so simple you will click, that will automatically save. If you are doing for the first time, so that option will become save as. Okay, this is the save as backdrop, this is the backdrop view will open. So here is that save as option will come, and where you want to save, on the OneDrive or in this PC or some place or some to folder, or that you can browse, and you can select the location where you want to save. Okay, or click on the browse, save as dialog box will appear. So here there is the name, you can see there is some default name will be there, or you can edit the name also, and you can see its extension file name, by which file name it will be saved. You can say .pptx. so this is the default file name of, this is the extension file name of presentation, you can see that is .pptx. okay, like in the document .doc is there, or docx is there. okay, docx or doc, this is the extension file name for the document, this is for the ppt.pptx. like for the excel .xlm. okay, so that is for the, but for here presentation, this is the extension file name of presentation, that is .pptx. okay, then after specify name of your presentation in the file name, and click on the save button, and that will be saved with the .pptx extension, as I told that it is there. okay, now next, then after closing and exiting a presentation, after closing you can you can exit it. So what you have to do, click on the file tab, then after close option, and you will this will close your presentation, but this won't close the PowerPoint application. If you will use this simple close, it will close the presentation, but you will not close that application too. okay, so what you will do, so for that, to click on the exit power. okay, so this in the file tab there is an option is there, so simple close will be there. If it is there, simple close. okay, so simple close means it will close your presentation, it will close your presentation. But if you use the exit, it will close your application, okay, or you can use add plus F4. okay, so this here you, or you can click on here close button, and your site will be closed. Then next is to open your presentation. Very simple, same thing, same method. Simple, we will click on the file tab. okay, there we will find the one option which is the open. So here is the open option you will get. In this open, under this tab you can find the like this backstage view will appear. In the backstage view you can browse from here. okay, you can click on this, click on the browse option, and from this browse option you can browse the this browse window will appear. This, in the browse window you can find the name of the file, you can which presentation you want to open, and from here you, by clicking on this open button, so you can open it. okay, so like adding new slides, so that we will also study. So in the next class we will discuss about all. okay.